This is Remy trying to run away from home with his new truck because he thinks we're going to take it away because he peed his pants. He told us he peed his pants and he said, "You're going to take my prize away?" And we said, "Well, your prize is outside." And he said, "Not for long. Now it won't start." So he's trying to push it and run away from home. He tried driving it. Now it won't start, so he's trying to push it. Where are you going with your prize? Where are you going with it, Rem? Where are you going, Rem? Remy, where are you going to go with your truck? Remy, where are you going to go with your truck? Where are you going to go? Hey, hey, you're going to break it. Are you running away? Why?
From Daddy's, so he can't steal it.
You think Daddy's going to steal it?
Yep.
Why?
I think he's going to.
Hey, don't. Why do you think Daddy's going to steal it?
I think he's away.
Why do you think he's going to take it away?
I don't know.
What? Did you do something?
I peed in my pants.
Daddy didn't say he was going to take it away. We're not going to take it away, Rem.
Pushing it to Kurt and Mike, and I said, I pushed.